Good day, everybody. So happy if you could join me today. We're going to be taking a look at the strong arm. We're going to be looking at its evolution. We're going to be looking at all three variations. And then I'll also talk about how it has actually spawned new variations since it was actually created. This is going to be a lot of dancing, and I do offer modifications as well since the period of time it was created, which was about, I think, like 15 years ago now. It's actually gone through some changes, not just from an aesthetics perspective, but also from a safe mechanics perspective and understanding how from body to body things can change and maybe that doesn't work for you. And so we have this other thing that we do.